healthily, responsible fun. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, riders, listen loud. Healthy habits make us proud. Mud and germs don't stand a chance when we scrub and clean advance. Ride with care in all your plans. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Let's be smart, come take a stand. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Clean riding starts with care. When the wheels get dirty fast, take your sponge and clean them last. Scrub the tires, make them shine. Healthy habits feel so fine. Check for sharp or hidden things. Safety first is what it brings. Care shows love in all our plans. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Healthy hearts make smart demands. Ride with pride and ride with care. Clean habits show love everywhere. Moral lesson 1. Cleaning your bike helps keep you safe. Helmet straps and knee pads to wipe away what's stuck like glue. Clean gear keeps your body neat. Healthy riders stay complete. Mud and germs should take a hike. Keep it spotless for your bike. Clean your gear strong as you stand. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Healthy hearts make smart demands. Ride with pride and ride with care. Clean habits show love everywhere. Moral lesson 2. Clean gear protects your body and prevents sickness. Wash hands before you eat. Riding fun is full of play. Dirt gets messy every day. Wash your hands before you snack, so the germs don't attack. Soap and water do the job. Scrub them well, don't just dab. Healthy choices take command. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Healthy hearts make smart demands. Ride with pride and ride with care. Clean habits show love everywhere. Moral lesson 3. Washing hands before eating protects your health. Hey, hey, hey! After riding, clean again. When you're done with biking fun, cleaning's never truly done. Wash those hands, remove the dirt. Clean prevents you getting hurt. Everything back, neat and right. Ready for tomorrow's light. Go ahead, make cleanliness grand. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Wash your bike, wash your hands. Healthy hearts make smart demands. Ride with pride and ride with care. Clean habits show love everywhere. Moral lesson 4. Good cleaning habits should happen after playing too. Hey, hey, hey! Cleaning shows responsibility. Being tidy isn't small, responsibility stands tall. Clean your bike because you care. Respect the things you always wear. Proud behavior every day. Healthy habits